Instead of being delighted means happy, as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation spitefully means angrily, upon the table, murmuring means speaking slowly. What do you suppose I want with that? So when her husband showed that invitation card to Matilda, this was an invitation card for them for a party actually, and this was from a minister. Okay, there was any minister, and they invited Mr. and Madam Loisel. Okay, so instead of being happy, she just threw the invitation card. She was very angry after seeing that. Okay, and the husband asked, "But my dearie, I thought it would make you happy. You never go out, and this is an occasion and a fine one. Everybody wishes one, and it is very select. Not many are given to employees. You will see the whole official world there." Her husband told that this is the invitation card which is selected one. This is not given to all the employees, means all the workers of office. This is given to the selected people only. Okay. She looked at him with an irritated eye and declared impatiently, "What do you suppose I have to wear to such a thing as that?" So why Matilda was angry actually? She was angry after seeing the invitation card because she thought she didn't have any beautiful dress to wear at the party. Okay. He had not thought of that. Her husband was very actually sad. Okay, he was never thinking about that. He stammered, "Why, the dress you wear when we go to the theatre, it seems very pretty to me." He was silent, stupefied, means shocked, in dismay. Dismay means sadness, at the sight of his wife weeping. He stammered, "What is the matter? What is the matter?" Okay, so the husband told that the dress which you always wear when we go to the theatre, that looks very pretty on you, so you can wear that dress. But Matilda thought she would look poor because the party was from any was at any rich home. Okay, it was from ministers. It was from invitation from minister, so he was thinking that it would be a royal party and she should look rich. That is why she didn't want to go to the party, because she didn't have any beautiful dress to wear at the party. By a violent effort, she had controlled her vexation, means anger, and responded in a calm voice, wiping her moist cheeks, "Nothing, only I have no dress, and consequently, means as a result, I cannot go to this affair. Give your card to some colleague whose wife is better fitted out than I." So she told that I don't have any dress to wear at the party, and I will not go to the party. You can give this invitation card to somebody else whose wife deserves to go there. Okay.